You hop into your BMW 3 Series, ready to go, but a bright warning light for the electronic parking brake, EPB, pops up. Don't panic, this is common and often fixable at home. The EPB warning can appear after brake work, a weak battery, or just a random glitch. Usually the brake itself is fine. It's the electronics that need a reset. Think of it like rebooting your computer to clear out a bug. We'll walk you through 2 reset methods, starting simple, then a more thorough approach if needed. If neither works, we'll cover what to do next. Let's get started and get you back on the road. Safety first. Park your BMW on a flat surface, never a slope. Chalk the wheels with blocks or chalks to prevent any movement. Get inside. Keep the engine off but turn the ignition on. Press start. Stop once without your foot on the brake. Fasten your seatbelt. Some systems require it. Keep your foot firmly on the main brake pedal throughout the process. This ensures you're always in control if anything unexpected happens. Make sure you're comfortable and ready to press the brake fully. With the car secure and you in position, let's move on to the first reset. Ready? Here's the quick fix. With safety checks done, let's try the easiest reset. Ignition on, engine off, foot on the brake, find the EPB switch near your gear selector, disengage the parking brake, push the switch down and hold for 5 seconds, engage it, pull up and hold for 5 seconds. Repeat, but this time, hold each position for 10 seconds. This cycles the system and can clear minor glitches. Turn the ignition off, wait 20 seconds, then turn it back on. If the warning light is gone, test the brake by engaging and disengaging it. If it's still there, don't worry. There's a deeper reset to try. Let's move on. If the light remains, try the full reset. BMW techs use this too. Ignition on, engine off, foot on brake, car on level ground, disengage the parking brake, turn ignition off, keep your foot on the brake, hold the EPB switch down, then turn ignition on while still holding. Keep holding the switch down for 30 seconds. Release, then immediately pull the switch up and hold for 30 seconds. Release the switch, turn ignition off, wait 20 seconds, then back on. If the light is gone, test the brake's function. If not, it's time to call in the pros. If both resets failed, the issue is likely deeper, like a faulty EPB motor, wiring, or control module. These aren't DIY fixes. Diagnosing them requires special tools. A BMW specialist can read fault codes and pinpoint the problem. Don't be discouraged. You've ruled out the basics and saved time for your mechanic. Explain what you've tried. It helps the technician. Sometimes, letting a pro handle complex faults is the smartest move. You're still an empowered owner for tackling the first steps. Good luck and safe driving.